Okay, we're going to wire up the sink and the tap and the pump. Not the sink, the tap and the pump. We're going to wire them up. So on here we have two wires, one with a black line on it and one with no line on it. Now I was led to believe that the one with the black line on is the live. Now it usually is that when it comes to LEDs and whatnot, but please don't hold me to that. I don't think it really matters in this situation because it's just a micro switch which is controlled up there, which is the tap. Let me just show you that. Move this stuff out of the way. These are my blocks I'm going to use. Bit overkill, but there you go. So, oh, sorry, I should have done this beforehand. Take the mat off. Right. So there we go. So this tap, this is the micro switch. If you just listen, if we can. Hear it? So that's the micro switch. I don't think it matters which way down round that's wired. What matters is the pump. That's the main thing, because if you wire that the wrong way around, it's going to be sucking water rather than pushing water or blowing water, whatever you want to call it. Right, so we're going to start wiring up this item with these connectors, and I'll show you the wiring diagram. Well, not, I'll tell you the wiring diagram. Okay, first thing is, this is the whale water pump, which is going to be fitted into this jug in that corner, and there's that red lid on it. See him, he's going in there. Right, so we're wiring him first. So his negative is going to the negative side, which this then goes to my control panel, which is up here, and it'll be this switch here. Or is it? No, it's not that one, it's that one. Sorry, that one there. Doesn't really matter because that doesn't concern you. Right, so negative to negative. So negative from, let's say, the battery to the negative on the whale pump. Okay, so far. Okay, now, so the live from the battery, which is the black wire, this one here, this the live, which is the red, on this black lead, which is from the battery, we're saying, will now go to the live on the tap. I'm going to put it on the black and white because I don't think it makes any difference, because I think it's just a micro switch. And the last thing is the live from the pump goes to the neutral on the tap. And then if I connect these up, we should get the pump to work. Okay, quick recap. So from the pump, this is the one that goes in the jug, in the big jug. Okay, so the neutral goes to the neutral to the battery. The live goes to supposedly the negative of the tap. I don't think it really matters. Okay, and then the live from the battery goes to the live of the tap. And then what we do then, I've just connected it roughly to the battery. Before I connect, I've got a wire down, I've not finished yet. So let's open her up. This is the tap hole. Let's get the pump up here. Right, all quiet. Right, now that should be pumping water out, but we're going to test it now. I'm not going to connect it to the tap because I haven't put the drain plug in yet. So what I will do is test it via putting this in some water, and the rest of it should just come out the hose at the back. I'll show you that now. Put the hose outside, we don't want to mess. And don't want to spill it. Right, put that outside the door. Yeah, right. Lift this up. And you should be know what am I doing lifting the tap for. That's powerful. Right, okay. Now, for curiosity, I'm going to switch the wires around on the switch. So, I've said like the black and white is live, so I'm going to swap them over, just swap them over. That's all I'm going to do, and I think you'll find there's no difference. I'll tell you what, I don't know if I've sucked the water, it's nearly empty. Okay, so now which I presume was live, is now going to neutral, and the neutral one is now going to live. Okay, so I just swapped the switch wires round. Give me a second. Okay, I've got this in my hand. I'm going to pace it out the door, and there's no difference. I didn't think there were. Right, do you want to burn the pump out? And there we go. So it doesn't really matter on that micro switch which way round you wire it, because it is just a micro switch. It just turns it on. It just gives it power or not. That's it. If this is any use to anybody, or you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and a thumbs up. Pretty straightforward. So I don't know if you want me to go through the dialing down again, but I think you can see it. Okay, so let's just say, for curiosity, the live to the, well, it doesn't really matter anyway. I think I said that the wrong way around, didn't I? Anyway, I've swapped them and you can see it works. It doesn't matter which way around, as long as you've got a wire from the pump, which is the, let's say, the live, going to, let's say, the neutral of the tap, and then you've got the neutral from the pump going to the neutral from your battery, and the live from the battery going to the other side of the switch, which will be live or neutral, if you want to call it. That's it. You're just giving it power. All right, take care. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and a like, and we'll catch you in the next one. All the best. Okay, and just to tidy up, sorry, so I've got the drainage plug coming from the sink through. I've connected the pipe now. I've cable tied them. I've got the wires nice and tidy. These will be taped in a bit, and then this is all going back down here. This is my main jug. I think I can get 2 in there. I'm pretty sure I can. So I'll drop the whale pump in there with the water in, and then this one will go outside. This is the outlet. All right. Or I can just go to a waste can. I could actually use the other one as a waste tank instead of drilling another hole in the floor. There we go. Take care again. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next one.